Hello, everyone. Welcome back, my beloved kings and queens. My name is Joyce McTier, and I am the owner and operator of LaJoytra Creation Designs. Okay, y'all. So before I get started, y'all, I want to say please make sure that you continue to keep the families in Texas in your prayers. Okay? So, today we're going to make a pair of abstract earrings using this wire. And so let's go ahead and get started. So here are the items that you're going to need for this here DIY. You're going to need some 12 gauge aluminum wire. I have cut my wire 16 inches long, okay? You're also going to need some round nose pliers. You're going to need wire cutters. You're going to need your ruler to measure it. You're going to need 2 fish hooks, and you're going to need something to make your circle. So I'm using a top, okay? This top is 3.5 by 3.5, okay? It's pretty big. Now, if you don't want your earrings to be as big, and once you see what I do, you may change your mind. But if you want your earrings smaller, just use a smaller top or use something smaller to make your circle, okay? So let's go ahead and get into this here video. So basically what I want to do is, like I've already said, I cut my wire 16 inches long, and I am going to take it and place it on my circle just like this. I'm going to bring it all the way around. Okay, complete circle. All right, just like this. We want the shape of a circle, okay? And I'm gonna pinch these 2 pieces together, and then I just wanna come up to the top and twist it. So I'm gonna come and twist it. One nice hard twist, okay, to make it stiff. I'm gonna take the piece that's facing me, and I'm going to wrap that around and pinch this piece up, and just continue to wrap that around the wire, just like this. Okay. All right. There you have it. So now we take this off, and this is pretty much what you are going to have, a nice big circle. Okay. Now, for some of you who want to make hoop earrings, this is another way that you can make some really nice hoop earrings, nice and big, okay? Now we have some extra here at the top. So I'm going to take my pliers and just go in and squeeze that in as much as possible. Just like that, okay? And I still have a little bit hanging out, so I'm gonna take my wire cutters and just snip that off, just like that, okay? Now this is what you are going to have. Now, I wanna go around a couple times to make this stiff, because the design that we're going to be creating, we want it, once we bend it, we want it to stay in shape. So you're going to have to go around, take your pliers, or you can take a hammer if you have one, and you just want to go around and make your wire stiff. I was wondering if I made this for y'all before. I'm not sure if I made this design for y'all before or not, but here it is, y'all. So once you come all the way around for making it stiff, then you want to go back around again, but this time when you go back around, you want to go this way, okay? Just making it nice and stiff. And as you go around, you want to make sure that you be careful, because you don't want to pinch it too hard, because if you pinch it too hard, you know, aluminum wire is kind of soft. It will, you'll make a mistake and pinch it, and you'll break it, and then you'll have to start all over again. So just take your time while you're doing that part, okay? Now it's getting stiff. So we did this side, the top part. So now we want to come and do it this way, okay? We want this to be nice and stiff. And these are earrings that you can make less than 5 or 6 minutes, about 6 or 7 minutes. These earrings don't take long at all to make. My hands are getting tired. A lot of squeezing. But just like I said, if you do have a hammer, you can take your hammer and, whew, it's a lot of work, y'all, my little fingers. You can take your hammer and hammer it, and you also have to be careful with the hammer, okay? So we've did it, the front, the back, underneath, and see how stiff that is? That's what you want. So before we do the next step, I'm going to take and bend this wire over like this. I'm going to come up with my index finger, and I'm going to snip off the little extra that's on there, like that. Okay. And then I'm going to take my pliers and just squeeze it to give it some indentation, to make it stiff again. And then I'm going to take and make my loop. So I'm going to bring this over just like this and tuck it down just like that. Okay, I'm going to come and squeeze it. All right. So this is pretty much what you are going to have. This is a 3.5 by 3.5 hoop. Okay, so now the next thing we're going to do is, you just want to test it to see how stiff it is. We're going to take and come down to the very bottom of our hoop, and we're going to twist it. Just like this. Okay. And here is your earring. Quick, fast, and simple. And what I'm doing is I'm going back in again. You don't have to do this if you don't want to. If you feel like your earring is stiff enough, then you don't have to go back in and do this. But I am doing it again. I'm turning it, twisting it the way that I want it to be. However you see fit. Okay. And then the very last thing that I am going to do is I'm going to take my fish hook and I'm going to place it just like that on my earring. It's going to dangle, see that? And then I'm going to take and close this up. And then you're going to have yourself a really cute pair of earrings. Now this is like, it's like kind of sort of like an abstract earring. But here you have your earrings, y'all. Really, really cute. Really, really lightweight. These are really lightweight. And if you want to, you can twist it even more. You can twist it. You can put more twists in it. You can, the sky is the limit, y'all. So I just wanted to come to y'all really quick to show y'all these are very, very lightweight. Look at that. They are so lightweight. Now this right here, this is something that I would definitely wear during the spring and summertime when it's hot outside and you got on a little cute little sundress and you just pull your hair up and let your earrings do the rest for you, y'all. Okay? This is a dress up or dress down earring. So with that being said, I want to take this time to say thank you all for watching. If this is your very first time here on this platform, please make sure you subscribe by hitting the all bell button on the side so that when I upload more videos, you will definitely be the first one to be notified. I want to thank my new subscribers and my super supporters. I greatly appreciate all of your support. And until the next video, my beloved kings and queens, peace and blessings. See ya.